Watch this ryegrass. Ain't that cool? Woohoo! Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day today. And I honestly cannot get over how hot it is the first week of October. We're here in central North Carolina, and my wife's van had 97 today. 97 degrees the first week of October. That's just absolutely unheard of. It ain't right, and it's brutal. I guess the globe is warming it, whatever that thing is they call it. So I've got 4 different grass mixes, okay? And one is the GCI Blue Heat. It's 100% Kentucky bluegrass. The other is my GCI Turf Type Tall Fescue. The other is my GCI Turf Type Tall Fescue with the Kentucky bluegrass. And a ryegrass that I'm trying out. Now no, I'm not throwing them all in a hopper and mixing it all together and putting it all out here, blending it. No, it's going to be distinct strips and sections of each. That way we'll do a flyover, we'll make some videos in the winter, next spring, get to show you the difference in these 4 different mixes. It's a very rare opportunity I have right here, and I just want to take advantage of it to show you the difference in the 4. So what we've done is I've kind of went all out, no holds barred, and just done everything I know to do. I think it ended up being almost 200 cubic yards of screened topsoil, which is our native clay and compost mixed together. My buddy sent me some raw leordonite that I'm going to be trying out and kind of watching it. And all that's on top, so I'm going to take my perfector, my rake thing on the back of the ABI, and I'm just going to lightly drag. Nothing major. I've already got my grade right like I want. I'm going to lightly drag it just to kind of blend that compost and that leordonite and all that kind of in with the topsoil. Once we do that, we're going to flag off our 4 sections, put the grass seed down. I'm going to roll it. I'm going to roll it with the roller. Okay, they're coming out with a cultipacker. I don't have it yet. I'm getting one. They're not on the market yet. They will be soon. So it'll be a cultipacker type thing. But this is a roller, a smooth roller that's made more for ball fields. But I can use it right here. And that way I can lightly press that grass seed in the ground and get that perfect seed to soil contact. I can't wait. I busted my tail on this piece of ground right here. I am ready to see some grass come up, right? Tomorrow morning, all my guys are here, my employees are here. We're gonna hand walk the irrigation out and set it up. You see my pipe right here, I had to do something a little different. I don't want to drag it across the dirt, because if I drag it, then that's just gonna screw up my grass seed. So I need all my guys to line up in a row. We can hold it up off the ground, tote it out here, set it up, and we can start watering. I don't know about you, but I love it when people send me things and say, hey, try this out right here. See what you think. Looks good. Smells good. Not gonna taste it. Might be good. I don't know. Alright, so everything's flagged off. You can see my rows of flags down through there. Alright, so we got the Kentucky bluegrass on this strip. It's going to be my turf type tall fescue. This right here is going to be the ryegrass, and then out at the road, the bluegrass fescue mix. And I talked with a buddy of mine and said, how should we lay this out? And we come up with that. We want to show the different contrast, okay? I got fescue there, fescue here, rye between it, bluegrass beside fescue. I get asked these questions 100 million times. You know, what's the difference? What do they look like? Blah, blah, blah. So now we're gonna see. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set it on a really low setting and just kind of keep going over it until I've got everything put out. I'll do the fescue first, then I'll jump over and do the fescue bluegrass. You know, if I got a little bit left in the bottom, and ain't gonna be no cross contamination. It's the exact identical fescues in it. Then once I do the fescue bluegrass, I'm gonna take it on the other end of the parking lot and take my backpack blower and blow it out really, really, really good. Then I'll do the ryegrass, go over, blow it out really, really, really good. Come back, do the bluegrass, and then I'll blow it out really, really, really good. Ooh, I'm pretty nervous about this. I gotta spread this in this little tiny bucket worth of bluegrass over this whole section. Never done it before. Gonna go super low on the setting. There we go. Alright, so hey, sorry I couldn't get no action footage. It's getting late and dark. I'm hungry, I'm tired. I'm gonna go, finish rolling it, clean up my mess, go to the house. I'll check you later. Be sure and follow me on Instagram at GCI Turf Services. That way you can get daily or every other day updates on the germination process on this right here. And of course, we'll show you the results on YouTube. So thank you for watching. Check you later.